Hi, my name is Jürgen Hohen, and this is how to import 1,000 contacts with one account. Like maybe database or Jürgen's database or Johnny's database or um, all customers of Geico or something like that, right? Using the Salesforce ID. Because you could have 100 Johnnies, but there could only be one specific Johnny that might own all the contacts or the leads, right? This is how you can do it. So first, uh, you go to setup up here, then you go over to, in Salesforce, you go type in under B, import, and you just go data import wizard. It's just like the other regular one with the CSV. Then you just launch the wizard, right? And then here is the key thing. You choose an object, a custom object, or leads and accounts and contacts, in this case, accounts and contacts. And then you do maybe match by email, and you map it to a Salesforce ID, right? So it could be Jürgen's leads, and that's the account, and all the contacts are under Jürgen's leads, right? So that's the key here. So, and then see if you want to combine them all to put them all under a campaign, right? Here, for instance, what am I seeing here? Here's an example where this, under account ID 001, that's the account object, right, in Salesforce. And this would be my personal record ID, identifier. That's the key, right? Or if something is a house account, right? Contacts a house account, maybe the president, something, or presidente, or presidenta, or presidento. And then here is the typical mapping, right? And then here on the third one from the bottom, you can see Salesforce ID, account Salesforce ID. You can also do it with cross object stuff like this. And that's how you map that. It's all the same one, FAAX is the last four of that. And then you make sure it got mapped and the job ran. You just wait and you look at how many were imported. Like, oh, look, down at the bottom, 442 were processed, 0 records failed, job ran, no problem, right? And with that, that's how you do it. Thank you so much. Have a great day.